This video will speak about Frase. That's content creation software that uses SEO to formulate the creation of your articles for the content of your blog or website. Let me log in and then I'll show you an example of how Frase can be used to just purely use AI from start to finish to create a very high quality blog that will be based off of the first 20 top ranking existing sites that are out there, and allowing you to incorporate the key phrases from that content into your content. So if I go into Frase, you can start off with a free account if you want, or you can get one of the plans. They're quite flexible in arranging whatever configuration you want. So if you go into the new documents, their latest platform features 3 choices: the SEO workflow, blank document, or article wizard. I'll demonstrate the article wizard for you to show you how easy it is. So the first step is a search query. And let's say I want to search phrase tent builder features. And just process the query. And when you see this activity symbol here, it's going outside to Google and basically pulling in the content from those sites that are ranking at the top of the SERPs to use in your content. So these are the sites that are on the top of the SERPs that Frase will use to incorporate into your content. So now you need a title, which is the eye-catching title that would increase the click-through rates in search engines. And then Frase will use this title to generate relevant headings for your outline. If you can't think of anything, just click on this green button where Frase uses AI to generate it, and it will come up with a bunch of results of which that you can go through and select one that would be appropriate for what you're thinking of doing. I'll just select the top one here: comprehensive Frase review, features pros and cons for 2024. If you don't like it, if you want it to be evergreen, you can always go in here and take out the year, and that will make it evergreen. Next. So now it comes up with all of the topics automatically. If you see the different topics in here, that if you see anything that's you were thinking of, that you can always add it manually by clicking on the add topic. Click next. Now you're going to have headers within the H2 tags within the article. So if you can't think of any header, again, Frase has a feature of providing you with AI, and then again the header would be generated. But for each of these headers that are generated, you need to give instructions to the AI on what to write, and you can use AI to do the AI instructions also. If you click on that, it will go through the instructions automatically, generating instructions for the AI to follow. And these are quite plausible because it's based off of the SERP research that has already been done. This is a tremendously powerful tool that would take weeks and weeks and weeks of development to just write one article, that this tool is deriving in just a few steps using AI. And their Frase is actually using 4.0, which is one of the latest ChatGPT engines out there at the moment to do this generation, so the quality is quite high. So as the AI continues to go through, it seems as if we get into the bottom of the list here. All of the instructions are now under the H tags, the H2 tags of the article. Instructions continue to be generated. We're almost at the end of the list here. I'm actually doing this at real time. I'm not pausing the video, just to give you an idea of how long this would take. Depending on the type of data that's being generated, times would vary. Once your next turns green down here, you click on next. Then you give the voice, the tone of voice that you want. Frase has built-in tones: casual, convincing, funny, appreciative, passionate, assertive. I like convincing. And then we go next. And then in the next step, it's going to give a summary of what's going to be generated from all of those previous steps that we made. We're going to submit it. The plan that I'm under allows 30 articles to be generated per month. Right now I'm up to 4 of 30. So I'm going to submit this one. I'll be using this article for one of my blogs to promote Frase. The AI is the AI generation of the actual article is going to can take between 10-15 minutes. Sometimes I've seen it go to no more than 15 minutes, and the shortest I've ever seen one generated was, I would say, 5 minutes. But you can leave this running and Frase will send you an email to let you know when the article is ready. So I would get on board with this tool today to be able to quickly generate quality content for your blogs. Thank you.